Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Nessus latest version on Kali Linux 2024.4. At the time of making this video, Nessus 10.8 is the latest version. Okay, open any web browser. Nessus won't come as free installed software on Kali Linux operating systems. Go to Google, just search for Nessus. Then click on Nessus Essentials. See here, Enable Nessus Essential allows you to scan your environment up to 16 IP addresses per scanner. Okay, so we have to register. Once we register, we will get the activation code. Then click on Get Started. See, check your mail for activation code. Okay, then click on Download. Then see here we have the latest version 10.8. This is the release date. Okay, then select the platform. See here we have different platforms, but we don't have Kali Linux. So we have to select the Linux Ubuntu AMD i386. Okay, so select it. Then click on Download. Select I agree. See, download started. Wait until download completes. See, its size is only 66 megabytes. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. Let's see here we have the Nessus 10.8.3 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then give the first 3 letters of this Debian package and give the tab and hit enter. See, the service name is Nessus 10 and this is the web interface link. Okay, so first verify the status of the Nessus 10. Sudo systemctl status Nessus 10. Hit enter. See, Nessus is not started. You also try to copy this one. See, we must give the HTTPS, not the. Okay, open new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, it won't work because Nessus 10 is not started. Now start the Nessus service. Sudo systemctl start Nessus 10. Now verify the status. See, we have started Nessus service. Now reload this page. Click on, this is just warning, click on advanced. Then scroll down. Then click on accept the risk and continue. See, it is initializing. Now see here, we have to register. If you want to register offline, you have to select the checkbox. Otherwise, click on continue. Then select the start a trial of Nessus expert. Then click on continue. No need to provide email. Then skip. Then we have to provide the activation code that we have received to the email. Go to email and check that. See, this is the activation code that I have received. This is not same for you. Okay, this may be different. Also see here we have the download the Nessus. Now paste that code and click on continue. Click on continue, just confirmation. Now we have to create a user. So I am giving username as nsadmin. Then set the password. Then click on continue. Not now. Setup completed. Now it is downloading the plugins. This may take time. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, plugins download completed. Now plugins are compiling. See here. Nessus functionality will be limited until compilation is complete. See, this may take time. See here we have the folders like MyScans, AllScans, Trash, Policies, Plugin Rules, TerraScan, etc. Okay. And if you want to go to settings, click on settings. See here we have installed Nessus Essentials 10.8.3. Licensed host we have used 0 of 16. License, this is the license expiration date. Okay. If you want to upgrade to Nessus Professional, you have to click on here. Nessus Professional or Nessus Expert. This is the activation code. License utilization. Software update. See here we have the update the components. I want to disable. Then click on save. We don't have any events. Okay. If you want to change the password of the user, click on this username, my account. Then provide the current user and provide the new user. If you want to configure IP, email, you have to click on here. Then you have to click on save. And see here we have the SMTP server and different options. Click on scans. See, we don't have anything. Okay, we have successfully installed. Go to downloads. Now go to terminal. See, if you want to stop Nessus, okay, you have to use the same command, systemctl stop then Nessus. Use the tab and hit enter. Okay, I am not doing. I am showing you how to stop, start and restart. Okay, now we have successfully installed Nessus. ls remove this file. It is not required anymore. Hit enter. So we have cleared the switch. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Nessus 10.8.3 on Kali Linux 2024.4. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.